Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the SIM card in your Oppo A16. To insert your SIM card, you have to get a key like that and insert it in your hole here, as you see. Put it in your small hole and you should take it the SIM card slot tray. And as you see, there is a place for the SIM card. There is a two place for a SIM card, first and two. So there is two place for the SIM card, and on the up here is a place for the memory card if you have some. So I'm gonna put the SIM card here and put the SIM card tray into the slot, and you can wait few seconds until phone gonna see your SIM card, and it's been here the icon of your SIM card. My phone has a little lag here. very fast phone, as you see. I don't have network connection because my SIM card is old, but it's connected, so everything is okay. And as you see, that's it about the insert the SIM card. If you like this video, just leave a thumbs up, leave subscription, and see you by next video. Hey.